Hello, Mrs. M here again, and now we're going to look at a nice feature that they have on Screencast-O-Matic when you're filming your screen or your video. It's called Scripts, and as you can see up here, there are two buttons, the recording and the scripts. And the scripts is basically a written format that will be done ahead of time, where you can write out your what you would like to say in the video with some timed transitions in between. And what happens is it records it for you and you have it written, and then you can only concentrate on basically just filming and maneuvering around the screen to your recorded voice. So let's take a look at that. First, you would go up to Scripts and click on that button. And as you can see, you want to go up here where it says New, and it'll pull up this small window box, and it'll say New Script, excuse me, and it says Title. So you want to title that in for the new script, and I'm just going to put it in. And then what you would do is come down here and you enter what you'd like to say as a first entrance into that. So let's say, you wanted to type something like that. And this is the first section, and we want to put a few transitions in between. This will prevent you from going like I have just done. And now we're going to record it. I'm going to play that down. These are the intermissions in between so that you have it nice and quiet in between. Then it'll bring you up to this box, and this is where you're going to record what you have written already in this section right here. And you press the red button. And now we're talking, welcome to Screencast-O-Matic. Pause. You can also redo, and let's play it back. And now we're talking, welcome to Screencast-O-Matic. And if you like what you've done, you can hit it again. So I didn't like it, so let's redo that. Welcome to Screencast-O-Matic. Now that's done. If you want to play it again, you can hit this button. It'll bring you back to here. Welcome to Screencast-O-Matic. And there we have that successful. Hit done again. And if you want to add the next section where you're talking a little bit more, you just go to this button, Add Section, and you can write out the second one. Sorry for the silence, and I wasn't typing as fast, but and then we go to record, brings up the button again. In this video, we are going to take a look at Screencast-O-Matic's feature scripts. Playing it back to see how we have sound.
In this video, we are going to take a look at Screencast-O-Matic's feature scripts.
Done. I like those, or else I can redo them, and so forth and so on. In between the transitions, it will put in your taped silence so that you can have time to maneuver around and change things as you go. I'm going to close this down. When you're ready, as you can see, this is the test, you would pull it up and go to record, and then you would have your screen. Looks like you already have it. We're going at a time. You would look at the screen, and this would come up with your script, and then you can read it. It will have re-recorded everything for you, and all you have to do is look at your screen and manipulate whatever you want on the screen. It's a really nice feature to have, and I think I will use it more in advance. The way that I was doing it before was as I'm doing it now. I would write out something freehand and then speak into I would have it before me, old school, shall we say. I like this feature a lot better. It gives a nice pause. It takes a little time to get used to it, but it is well worth using. And I thank you, Mrs. M, signing out again.